Hello, it's Barrier. What I'm going to show you here is a brand new locking pill container. It's a tubular lock, and I'm going to pick it on camera. First, I'm going to open this bad boy up. I'm going to kind of walk through it a little bit too on what I'm doing and what I've learned so far about it. Alright, first things first, let's make sure our lock works. It says turn clockwise to unlock, and it comes off. Line the line up with the line there. Goes back on, and it locks. It worked. Okay. Anyways, going on. What I'm going to use. Now it's a tubular tension tool, but it came from a comb pick set that I had bought from Sparrows. I'm very excited about and ready to try. Anyways, it looks like this. Here's my tool I'll be using. Alright. It has the top of the tensioner tool along with a comb bar. And what I'm going to be using is a pick that I actually broke in one of my videos I posted on here. Okay, now I'm going to get a little bit of light on this. Now, this is actually, I think, really easy. You put light tension on. And you basically are just going to go through here and push down on each of these little tiny pins you see. The brass colored, yellowish gold. But you're pushing down each one of those. And you're trying to find one that's binding / hard to push down. And then push down again on it. Okay? So that's what I'm doing here. And around here. My tension tool almost fell out. There's one pin that's right on this tension tool that's hard to get to. Let's go around poking it. bit of light on it. Alright, let's go back to going around and poking. Make sure my tensioner's on there good. Yeah? Go tell her yes. Go tell her yes. Hold on. Okay. Go around poking. Almost done. We almost got it here, guys. There we go. Oh, I forgot. This is the kind that you have to pick twice to fully get open. So let's go back around this really quick, so you can see that I truly picked it all. We almost got it. We almost got it here. Okay, we are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, so close. And I got a couple more. I think only one more pin is holding us up. Remember, I already picked it once. Now I had to pick it twice, because it's a 2-pick process. Trying to get some light in this so I can see what I'm doing real quick. There we go. There we go. We gotta unlock. Oh! And I got it. This was a lucky medicine. Now the only crappy thing is, you can't just turn the key in and turn it back to lock, though. You have to actually pick it to turn it back to lock. So I'd have to pick it 1, 2 more times to lock it back. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and seen basically how fast it is to pick your tubular lock at a beginner, experience, I guess you'd say. Catching on pretty quick. Many thanks to some of the videos I watched from like Lock Noob, Bosnian Bill, Lockpicking Warrior. And thank you for anybody who watches my videos. Please like and subscribe.